Welcome to Roughing It with Ruth, the channel where everything is a bit rough around the edges. We are leaving for the Tsitsikamma hike tomorrow. It is a 6-day, 5-night hiking trail, and this is the food that I'm going to be bringing with me. I'm just going to quickly run through all of it. These are the freeze-dried hiking dinners that I'm taking. It's boerewors potjie with mash, beef lasagna, vegetable korma, aubergine and coconut curry. And you just add hot water to that. Then for lunches, I'm having crackers with soft cheese. For breakfasts, I've got kind of a bit of a mishmash of this fruit puree stuff. I've got 3 of those in different flavors. I've got some bars with various fruit and nuts and yogurt and things. And I've got some dried mango strips. Then for during the day as snacks, for salty snacks, I've got some roughingitwithruth, which is like dried sausage meat. I've got some salt and vinegar flavored peanuts. I've got some homemade trail mix, which has some crystallized ginger, some dried fruit of various descriptions, and some pumpkin seeds in it. I've got some ginger, which has dark chocolate around it. Some ginger biscuits, pitted dried prunes, freeze-dried pineapple, freeze-dried strawberries. And then for if I happen to get cramps or someone I'm hiking with gets cramps, I've just got 3 of these Cramp Assault electrolyte little goo sachet things that work really well. Then for sweet stuff, I've got 3 Bar One chocolate bars, 2 of these speckled egg sweets packets, 2 energy bar things, which are both a type of brittle. The one's almond brittle and the other one is peanut and raisin brittle. And then 5 far bars, which are from Race Food, and it's basically kind of like a dried fruit bar. It's got date and cranberry and like bits of biscuit and things in it. Those are quite nice. And then here I've just got my hot drinks. These are rusks to dip in my tea. These are different kinds of tea bags over here. And then this is condensed milk that I have decanted from the can into this goo sachet. I normally use this goo sachet for like race goos for trail running. I don't know if we've got one somewhere. Do we have any? Yeah. Okay. So normally the goo sachet, I would put something like this. I think I can take 8 of these little goo energy gels for trail running, but it also works really well to just put condensed milk in it. It's not quite an entire can of condensed milk, but it's pretty close. It's quite a lot of condensed milk in here actually. And that is all of my food for a 5-night. Oh wait, that's not all of my food. So the first night we are going to be having a braai or barbecue, and we are just freezing our steaks and some garlic bread to braai on the very first night. Otherwise, after that, I'm going to be eating the freeze-dried meals. And that's everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like to see more from me, then you can click on my channel name to see videos that I've made in the past, or you can subscribe to my channel to see videos that I'm going to make in the future.